Yeah. Now we can start after the 6C is 6B is I think so. 1B is done, right? Now we switch on to the 1C. The next before going to the next exercise, we have to see the concept of decimal number representation of rational numbers. Actually, the rational number it is in the form of P by Q. For the decimal numbers means when you're dividing the numerator with the denominator, the answers will come in the points, decimals. 0 something like this, 0.125 like this will come. Decimal forms will come. So how you need to convert the rational numbers into the decimal numbers? That is the thing now we are going to see here. Now let us take one example they are taken in the example sheet. I can take it out. Now question is simple. 25 by 16. Now question is 25 by 16. So how they did
16.
of 25 by 16? This is a question now. Now how they did of working on that? I think by seeing only you can easily understand. Now let us 25 by 16. 25 by 16 means this is the numerator. This is the denominator. So first you write
Denominator.
numerator, you divide with the denominator. That is what they wrote. 16 by 25 by 16. So you should start working over here. 25 by 16. First you can take, this is a 2-digit number. 16 ones are, it's possible I took 16 ones are 16.
16.
The number I got 9. Remember I got 25 minus, you can do 25 minus 16, 9 I got. But this 60 here, this is a 25 is more than the 16. That's what it went off. Now 9 is less than the 16. So 16 ones are 16, but it is 9. It's value of less. That is what he has to do means you have to you get an answer. You write, make a point over here. Once you keep in a point, you get a 10 here. So 10 into 9, 90 you got. Am I clear?
90.
Whenever here the value
Yeah.
should be less than this value, this value should be less than this, you can make it point right 90. Point you keep, you can get 0. Now what are you getting out next? 16, 90 is there, 16 5 is 80. If you go take 16 6 more will come. So you can take it is now 9, 10 you got. But still it is not possible. So it's already you have a point, take 1 0. That's what here they took. You can still 16 ones are 16, they got 9, or they kept the point, that's what they took 0. Then 16 5s are 80. So 90 minus 80, 10 I got. But already point is there, you can take
10.
one more 0. Already point is there, you can take 0.
Okay.
Now 16 twos are 16, what is the 16 twos are right? Now 16 IBN, 16 twos are, that's odd. 16 fives are right, 16 6 are 96 next case. 16 6 are 96 they took.
96.
Now they
96.
got 4, but already point is there, you can take 0. Now 16 twos are 36, they got 8. All the point is there, you can take 0. So 16 5 is 80, they got remainder. Till you got remainder 0, you have to do your procedure. Am I clear? So similarly, you got 25 by 16, you got an answer of 1.5625. There is no repeated answer.
5625.
This is the final answer. This is the exact answer for this. Exact answer. I am telling it is exact. The exact answer means remainder is 0. Remainder is 0.
0.
Remainder is 0. If you got the remainder is 0, open chante. The remainder is 0. Okay. They got remainder is 0.
Okay.
Similarly, they taken one more question. It is consider 17 by 5. Okay, 17 by 5 means what? 17 by 5. You can start working over here. 17, 5 3s are 15. They got. Then you 17 minus 2 you got. You can keep a point over here 0. So 5 4s are 20. Answer you got remainder 0. Then you stop procedure. That is what 3.4. The answer is 3.4. I think is clear. Any doubt?
Clear.
So this is the way you people has to do that. The rational number P by Q, you are converted into like this. This is the decimal form. Okay. 25 by 16 is a rational number in the form of P by Q. You are converted into decimal form. That is 1.5625. The procedure you need to understand. Once you keep a point, every case after the remainder you can write 0. Then you continue your procedure. Okay. Now this is clear.
Okay.
So decimals there is no repeated. So that is the thing. So try to take this is you can do your own. These are example they mentioned. You can do it out your home. Next we have one more concept, non-terminating. Sorry. Non-terminating, the second case they mentioned, I'll go down, wait. So next case is they are telling, please copy this non-terminating recurring decimal. Please copy that. You can write down just non-terminating recurring decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimals.
Recurring decimals.
What is the recurring? What is non-terminating? I'll explain it is. Just they are taken example of 5/3. So from that example, I'll try to take and start working over here. Just I'll take here and I'll try to explain here how they did of 5/3. Just they are taken 5/3, right? Okay. Just I'll take. Okay. Now let us start working. What is that? I'll try to explain. Just they mentioned 5/3. So you can start working over here. Just you take a 5, then take a denominator of 3. So more than 5, 3 is the 5 is more than 3. You can start working over here. 3 1s are 3. Answer is after minus 3, 2 you got. Now 2 is less than 3. We cannot proceed. 3, 2 is, so that's what you can keep point over here. After keeping point, 0 will come. So 0 will come. 20. Now it's possible. 3 6 are 18. Now 2 you got.
18.
Now 2 you got. Again the point is there, you can 0. 2 6 are again 18. Again you 2 got. Again 0. Again 6. 2 you got. 18. Still every time you see that remainder is 2 you are getting. Every time. Again if you continue, again 0 will come, again 6 will come, again 18 will come, again 2 is there. Keep on you do for 1 year also, the answer will not end. Answer go keep on going on the 6 6 6 6. As am I clear?
Yeah.
This is called as non-terminating. And it is not terminating, it's keep on going on there. It is not stopping. It is not stop, it's going on there. This is called as non-terminating.
Non-terminating.
Previously, what is the terminating means? Example previously, just now you took one example, 25 by some, what is the value? Previous example, 25 by
25 by
16. 20 by 16, what answer you got? What is the answer you got? 1.6.
1.56.
1.56. Okay.
5625.
5625. Okay, no problem. It means we are stopped over here. 1.5625 when you are doing here, you got remainder is 0, we stop the process.
Remainder
you got 0, we are stopping the process. Akkada kaapesam. Such a type of things is called as terminating.
Terminating.
This should not be stopping. Remainder should not be 0. It's keep on continuation. It's keep on going under. This topic, this type of called non-terminating. Non-terminating. Okay. Non-terminating.
Okay.
Next, recurring means it's repeated value getting. Repeated value are getting. Repeated means recurring.
Okay.
Recurring is
repeatedly
recurring under. This type of answer is called as non-terminating recurring.
Non-terminating recurring decimal.
You can take now example of this one, 5/3. You got an answer 1.666666. Keep on going under. This is example of non-terminating recurring decimal. This is not terminating, it is recurring. Okay. This is a repeated value means what is the value is repeating? What value is repeating? 6 is repeating, right?
6 repeat.
So you can write like this answer. 1.6 bar means you need to understand 1.6 bar means you need to understand 1.6666 going on there. Okay, Nana?
Okay.
If it is 1.5 is the 5 bar means example I'm telling 1.5555 keep on going on there.
55555.
If I'll take another example,
recurring.
if it is 1.72 bar ante 1.72 bar ante 72 is repeating 72 72 72 like that you write. What are the bar you write, that are the value it's repeating. Okay, now clear?
Okay, now clear.
Now we are they mentioned one more example, 1/7 they took. 1/7 they took. Okay, 1/7 they mentioned.
Okay.
They start working over there. The next here, what they got answer? Keep on they mention it is here they mentioned, here they went off. It is also, it's non-terminating. It is non-terminating. It's keep on going under non-terminating. Is it recurring? Is it recurring? I think it is not repeat non-terminating.
Not recurring.
Non-terminating. Non-terminating repeated decimals. I think decimals are repeated. What are the values of decimal repeated? I'll try to write it is here. I'll tell you one second. What their answer they got after the final answer? 1.1428.
0.0.14.
0.1457.
142
14.
285714.
14. If you still continue, you are going to get after 142857. Same you got 142857. Still you continue, answer should come like this. This is the value going to be repeated next case, because here they got 2. Here they got 2, one more 2. This process will continue for next also. Keep on you do. Okay. Now point is there 20. Now 14. No failure. This is the value going to become. Next you do. Next again 1.2857 you're going to get. Okay. Now clear?
Okay.
So next
Clear.
to keep on you continue. Next another 1.142857 you get. It's keep on going under. So the final answer they're writing 0.142857 bar.
57.
Bar. This is the value going to repeat it. Next, this only will come 1.2857.
1.4.
So this is the cases they called as this is a non-terminating but recurring. But recurring. Non-terminating, recurring. Okay, now clear? Huh?
Clear.
Now this is clear. Now clear it is, sir. Now that is clear now. Okay. So now we have to writing it out. What is the periodicity? Now the concept is clear here. What you have to do is here one more extension is there. What is the periodicity? Periodicity means the value it is repeating. That number is called a periodicity. Periodicity means this is period or periodicity. Periodicity means what is the number is repeating. Keep on doing other. Okay. Period means what is the repeating. Periodicity means how many times is repeating. Suppose here I try to write. Period is different. Period means what is repeated. What is repeated? Periodicity means how many times repeated. How many digits? Count of digits are repeated. I'll try to say 0.3 is their example. What is going to repeat it? 3 is going to repeat it. So period is 3. Periodicity means how many times is repeated? Only single digit. How many digits are repeated? Only single digit. Periodicity is 1.
Only single.
So here you take same thing. 0.3. Periodicity is 1. Period is 3. Here what is the number is repeated? 75 is repeated, right? Period is 75. Periodicity means how many digits are repeated? 2, right? 2 digits. Periodicity is 2. Clear or no? Similarly, here what value is repeated? 143. 143 repeated.
143.
Okay. The period is 143. Periodicity is
143.
Here 67 is there. 678 898 repeated. 89 repeated. 89 is repeated.
89 repeated.
So 89 repeated. Periodicity is 2. So like that we have to write the answers now. Clear or no?
Clear.
Right. So this is what non-recurring term, non-recurring recurring values, right? Recurring and non-terminating. It's clear. Now we switch on to that one more concept. The rest of the thing examples are there. Please go to the textbook and start working over there. Next, previously we did of one thing. What we did of, we are converting rational number to decimal number. Previous case. What we did of? We are converting rational number to decimal number. Now you are converting decimal number to rational numbers. Etla chestar. Okay na? Okay. Now it's reverse form. The thing what we have to do is now conversion decimal to rational. Previously rational to decimal is over already. This is over. Now we are reverse case. How we did of? It's very simple. They are taken one example 1575. Then you count from right side up to 0. How many digits are there? 1, 2.
1, 2.
So 15, 75, remove the point. You can write 1, 2 means 2 digits. You can
75
write
by
100.
2. Okay.
So
It is
after,
very easy.
yeah, after this, you has to do the cancellation process by doing your own analysis. I think you know divisibility rules 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still that you can divide it, you can find the
Yeah.
answer. So like this, one more thing, next 0.35 is there. Take a question, 0.35. So 1, 2, 2 decimals are there. That's what 35 by 100 you take, then you simplify that. Okay.
Okay.
Then one more minus 8.005 is there. We have
Yeah.
3 decimals, right, as it is
8
by 1000 you write because 3
by
decimals 1000.
1000.
So this is the same 2104 by 1000 you write. Then give the answer. Then you have make it cancellation till end of the that. ఇంకా స్టిల్ ఇంకా పాసిబిలిటీ ఉండదు ఇంకా ఇక్కడ 63/4 అసలు ఇంకా అంతకంటే పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు అట్లా మీరు డివైడ్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా
Okay.
ఇది కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే డిజిట్ ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ వరకు వస్తుంది పాయింట్ ఎన్ని పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి దట్ మెనీ డిజిట్స్ యూ డివైడ్ విత్ దట్ విల్ గెట్ అన్ ఆన్సర్ ఓకే టిల్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫినిష్డ్
Okay.
నౌ లైక్ దట్ సిమిలర్ ఆల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆర్ ఓవర్ okay conversion now it is clear now it's okay now last concept for today's session. Next, converting. This is very important. You're not supposed to understand also later. Please write it down top. Now conversion, non-terminating, very important topic this for today's session. Conversion, non-terminating recurring decimal to rational form. Previously just decimal to, once again I reread it all. First case, we started today class, rational number 2, P by Q rational number to decimal number. First thing is over. Next, decimal to rational number is finished. Now we are writing non-terminating recurring decimal to rational number. This is very interesting concept. This is not so easy. Please try to understand how I am start working over here. Okay. Let us try to concentrate on that. Now copy this, write it down. Conversion non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Let us. I'll try to wend up next. Okay. And I'll try to enter English. I'll try to write here. The first question is x is equal to 0.4 bar. I'll write on the next page directly for the sake of your own understanding. So writes question, it is very simple. Question is x is equal to 0.4 bar. Okay, Nana?
Okay.
So what is the meaning of this one? X is equal to 0.444444. Keep on going. We keep on going on that. Okay. After that, what you has to do is question you can take equation number 1. Question you can take equation number 1. After that, here how many digits you are repeating? How many digits are repeating? Only one digit.
One digit.
For that reason, you need to multiply with equation number 1. Equation number 1 multiply with 10. If it is 1, you multiply with only 10. If it is 2, you multiply with 100. If digits are, if it is suppose example 0.45 bar is the question, you multiply with 100. You 456, you multiply 1000 on both sides. Clear? So you can understand after the questions. Now it is only one digit means multiply with equation number 1 with 2. 40 get 10 into x, 10 into x. So they got 10 into x. 0.4 you multiply with 10, automatically point will shift to right side. I think you know right very clearly. 0.4 into 10 means the point will shift to right side. So answer is 4 only.
4,
okay.
5.
So here it is there. More number means 4.44 going on there. Clear? This is equation number 2. After this, you need to subtract 1 from 2. You need to subtract 1 from 2. So equation number
1 from 2.
So, 1 from 2. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. You're subtracting 1 from 2. Okay. 10x is equal to keep on going. The x equal to keep on. Then these are all cancel. This is there. 4 will come. 10x minus x 9x. 9x is equal to 4.
9x
equal to 4. Now x is equal to what is the answer?
4 by 9.
So 0.4 bar is equal to 4 by 9. This is the final answer now. Clear? Himna doubt on.
Explain once again.
First you take the question x is equal to 0.4 bar. So here one value, one decimal, one value is going to repeated, that you understand. So take question x is equal to 0.4444, keep on going on. This is equation number 1. After that, this is one value is going to repeat. It means you multiply with equation number 1 with 10 on both sides. Left
10.
side means x into 10, 10x. Right side 0.444 you multiply with 10 means the point will shift to right side. One point will shift. 10 means 1 point. 100 means 2 points. 1000 means 3 points. So the 4.44 you got. After this, you subtract equation number 2 from 1. Sorry, equation number 1 from 2. So this is equation number 2, equation number 1. I wrote. So these are all cancelled. 0, 0, 4 minus 0, 4. 10x minus x, 9x. So 9x is equal to 4. So I want x only. I shifted to 9 to here. 4 by 9 I got. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
So this is answer for this. You found more clarity. I'll take next example. You can clearly understand. I'll take next example down. This question you can clearly understand. Now let me take second question. Okay. Now it is 0.54. Same question 0.54. Simple. This is 2 points.
54 bar.
54 bar. Two terms are repeating. You can write the question. X is equal to 54, 54, 54. Next, there are 2 points are repeating. Means you have to multiply with 100. Equation number on both sides. So x into 100, 100x. 0.5454 with 100 means 2 points will shift. So 1, 2. So 54.5454. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
Now this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2 and 1. You can subtract.
Equation
54,
2.
54, 54 cancel. 54 minus 0, 54. 100 minus 1, 99. So 99x is equal to
90.
54.
X.
You want x is equal to means 54 by 99. Answer is finished. Clear? Huh? Any doubt?
Clear. Clear.
Thank you. Now I'll go to the third question. 4.7 you can do as like a first question. Nothing wrong in that. Okay. It's very simpler.
Okay.
Okay. So I think you might have a
Okay.
confusion for this. I'll try to reduce the confusion. Sometimes this question you're tricky. I think so. Simple. X point 4.7, right? 4747. Next you write 10 you multiply 10x is equal to point will say 47.7777. Keep on going. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. If the small trick is there, the trick you have to see 7 7 cancel, 7 7 cancel, 47. This is nothing is a take it 0. 47 minus 0, 43. 47 minus 4, 43. Clear? Huh?
43. Clear.
So 10 minus 1, 9. So 9x is equal to 43.
9. 9.
X is equal to 43 by 9.
43 by 9.
Clear? Huh? Any doubt?
Clear.
So like this, we completed today all these things. So right, next it is there. Now this question is look like 3, 7, 32. I think 32 is repeated, right?
Yeah.
7, 32. All right, you can multiply with 100. Okay, you can divide. Here 15, 30, here you need to be very careful. The thing is clear here only. Here it is nothing is there. You can write 0 and 0. 1537 you subtract with 15. You got 1557. 99x is equal to 1557.5 by here it is. Here it is till here it's possible. Take you can take borrow from the previous value. తెలుసు కదా ఎట్లా తీసుకోవాలో borrow.
Yeah.
Take 10 and working on that. You'll get 1557 point. Yeah. Here you got this one. After you got 9x is equal to what you got 99 is equal to 1557 by sorry x is equal to 1557.5 by 99. But still one point is there. To remove the point, you keep it 0. Point is in the 0 also. Okay, na?
Okay.
Alright, this you take
Okay.
multiply with 1557.5 by 99. Multiply with 10.
9.
So multiply 10 means point will shift. So 15575 by 990.
990.
So that is the way you have to do the questions. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
So today's session for that is clear. Now we have to exercise questions are there, many questions. 1.3. I think you people has to try to look into that. First exercise, second exercise. First and second, both you work.
First bit.
First bit, second bit, 1.3. But it's a
Okay.
very simple thing.
Okay.
You can do it out. This is 0.5, x is equal to 0.9 bar, you start working. X is equal to 57, you work. X is equal to like this, you work. If you're not getting, tomorrow I'll explain this. Okay? Till this, you should working on that.
Okay.